Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check mutuals on Facebook. Mutuals on Facebook are friends that you and other person have in common. To check mutuals on Facebook, you need to first open your Facebook application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to home. Now here you can look for your friend by tapping on the search icon present on the top. After this, type in the name of your friend, then tap on the friend's profile. With this, now you'll be taken to the profile of your friend. Now scroll down, then you'll be able to see all friends option. Tap on see all friends option. Now here you can see all the friends of your friend. Now you need to tap on mutual button present on the top. With this, you'll be able to view the mutuals that you and another friend have. Here, I don't have any common friends with this person, so no mutuals is being shown on the page. This is how we can check mutuals on Facebook. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.